It is all cool, Jay.
Yeah, I can't see my face.
Full body.
Make it a diamond.
Dude, you gotta put one pant leg all the way up.
I didn't know we had LL over here.
You gotta put the other one and then put your sleeve up on the other side. Guys, what's up?
You look like Catress. You look like Catress.
Are you recording?
She looks like she's ready.
You're recording.
She looks like she's ready for America's Next Dance Crew.
Oh, see, that was almost.
We're back there.
Wait, where's my ball?
He's in between your legs.
Okay, try again. Dude, I thought my fly was open.
Oh, here goes Thug Life.
Alright, I'm scared. The cups are so scary to me right now. You
The
don't even know.
cups.
I know. You in that blue sweater.
Wow.
Jay, wow.
Jay, wow. Who's the situation up in here?
Fist bump.
Fucking Jason, I was like, what's up with the situation? He looks on this shirt and shows off his big belly.
And I'm gonna try on that side now.
Stop recording.